are going to solve a different problem from circle. Here is a question. If ABCD is a square, then show that the points A, B, C and D are concyclic. Here is a solution. Let us draw coordinate system. This is x-axis, y-axis. This is origin. Now I am drawing the square in this coordinate system. Origin is point A and here I am taking point B and here is D. I am taking the distance from A to B as A. The distance from A to B as A. If A to B is A, then AD is also A because that is a square. So we have to mark C point and join CD and BC. The distance from C to D is also A. Distance from C to B is also A. Now we need to find the coordinates of point A, point B, point C and point D. What are the coordinates of point A? The coordinates of point A are nothing but 0, 0 because it is origin only. And what are the coordinates of point B? Coordinates of point B is A, 0 because the distance from origin to the point is A units and it is on the x-axis, which means y coordinate is 0. Now we need to find coordinates of D. Coordinates of D are 0, A because it is A units from the origin and it is on y-axis, which means x coordinate is 0. And C coordinates are A, because C is A units from x-axis as well as A units from y-axis. Let us consider a circle which passes through the points A, B, D. We have to consider a circle which passes through point A, B, D. Let us consider equation of the circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, which passes through A, B, D. As the circle passes through A, B, D, we have to substitute A, B, D points in the equation of the circle. What is the A coordinates? A coordinates are 0, 0. Substitute there. So 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c equals to 0. Here, except C remaining all terms are zeros. So we will get C value as 0. So C value is 0. Now we have to substitute point B in the circle. Point B is A, 0. So x value is A square, y is 0, 0 square plus 2g into A plus 2f into 0 plus c equals to 0. Now A square, this term will become 0 plus 2 into A is 2A into g and this term will become 0. What is the C value? C value is 0. So plus C is 0, which is equals to 0. Now A square plus 2AG is equals to 0. We have to find G value. From this 2AG is equals to minus A square gets cancelled. 2G is equals to minus A. From this we will get G value as minus A by 2. The value of G is minus A by 2. Now we have to substitute D 0, A in the equation of the circle. So here x value is 0, 0 square plus y is A square plus 2g into what is x? X is 0. So 0 plus 2f into y is A plus what is C value? C value is 0. So 0, which is equals to 0. 0 square is 0 and A square plus this term will become 0. 2 into A is 2A. 2AF is equals to 0. From this 2AF equals to minus A square. Here A square gets cancelled. We will get 2F as minus A. We need to find F value. So F is equals to minus A by 2. What is the F value? F value is minus A by 2. Now we have to substitute C value, G value and F value in the equation of the circle. Let us substitute. So x square plus y square plus 2 into G is minus A by 2 into x plus 2 into F is minus A by 2 into y plus C is 0, which is equals to 0. This is x square plus y square, 2 gets cancelled, plus into minus ax, and here 2 gets cancelled, plus into minus, this is ay is equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle. What is this? This is equation of the circle which passes through the points A, B and D. Now we have to prove that point C lie on this circle. Now we have to substitute C A comma A in the equation of the circle. So A square plus y is A square minus A into x is also A, minus A into y is also A. What is this? This is LHS. So LHS is equals to A square plus A square minus A into A minus A into A. A square plus A square minus A into A is A square minus A into A is A square, which is equals to A square plus A square is 2A square minus A square is minus 2A square. Plus 2A square minus 2A square gets cancelled. We will get the value of LHS as 0, which is equals to RHS. So this is equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS, which means that the point C lie on the circle. C lie on the circle. Therefore, we can say that A comma B comma C comma D are concyclic. These 4 points are concyclic.